How to withdraw Solana from Bullx to Phantom Wallet in 2025, best method. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you the best method to withdraw Solana from Bullx to your Phantom Wallet in 2025. This process is simple and secure, and you'll be able to complete it in no time. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet. First, open your Phantom Wallet app or extension on your device. Ensure you are logged into your wallet and that it's ready to receive Solana. Step 2. Copy your Phantom Wallet address. In your Phantom Wallet, go to the Receive section. Copy your Solana SOL wallet address by clicking on the provided button. Step 3. Log in to Bullx. Open the Bullx platform on your browser or mobile app. Log into your Bullx account using your registered email and password. Step 4. Navigate to the Withdrawal section. Once logged in, head to your Bullx dashboard. Look for and click on Withdraw Funds or a similar option in the menu. Step 5. Select Solana and enter withdrawal details. From the list of available cryptocurrencies, select Solana SOL. Paste your Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any errors. Step 6. Enter the amount to withdraw. Enter the amount of Solana SOL you wish to withdraw from Bullx to your Phantom Wallet. Make sure that the amount is accurate. Step 7. Confirm and submit the withdrawal. Review all withdrawal details carefully, including the wallet address and the amount. Click on Confirm Withdrawal and follow any additional security measures like 2FA verification if required. Step 8. Wait for the transaction to process. Once submitted, your withdrawal request will be processed. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification once the transaction is complete. Solana withdrawals typically take only a few minutes, but in some cases, it may take a bit longer depending on network traffic. Step 9. Check your Phantom Wallet. Open your Phantom Wallet and go to your SOL balance to check if the funds have been successfully deposited. If the transaction doesn't show up immediately, wait a few minutes or check the transaction status using Solana Explorer. Conclusion? And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn Solana from Bullx to your Phantom Wallet in 2025. It's a quick and easy process that ensures your funds are safely transferred. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.